Alright guys, what's up? It's Mr. Lynch coming back at you with another great math video. Today, we're talking about angles. Alright, I'm just going to give you guys a little review on angles because I feel like we kind of need it. It's been a little while since we've done these, but these are so essential to this unit. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the different kinds of angles first because that's really what you need here for this first part. So we have vertical angles. Now remember, vertical angles are angles that are directly across from each other when two lines intersect. Oh, it doesn't straighten for me? Dang. All right. So let's say angle A, B, C, and D. Angles A and angle C are vertical. They're directly across from each other. So that means they have to have the exact same measure. So maybe the same number of degrees. Angles B and angle D are also vertical because they're directly across from each other. Perfect. So that means they're going to add up to the exact same, or they're going to be the exact same angle. And it's amazing. I love vertical angles. They're so cool. But we also have some other angles here. All right, angle A and angle B are supplementary. Now, you guys may forget, and I know I'm really bad at this too, but the difference between supplementary and complementary. It's a really big difference, but it's also so easy to miss. So supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles are angles that only add up to 90. So with those two angles being 180 degrees, or adding up to 180 degrees, we know this because they're on a straight line. Or I guess as straight as I could draw it. So these angles add up to 180 degrees because they're on a straight line, and a straight line is 180 degrees. That's all you really need for this. But I'll help you guys out real quick. So angle DXC. You know, I'm going to use a different color. Let's use blue. All right. Angle DXC and angle blank are complementary. So this angle and what other angle have to add up to 90 degrees? Well, if we look right here, we have a 90-degree angle mark. And this is a straight line, which means this is also 90 degrees. So angle DXC and angle BXC, perfect. Perfect. They're complementary. They add up to 90 degrees. You guys got this. I know you do. I can tell. Ooh, before it slips my mind. Adjacent. I just saw that. Man, adjacent angles are cool. Adjacent angles are angles that are right next to each other. All right, so adjacent angles just means they are next to each other. All right, that means that they share a line and they share that middle point. All right, so we could also say that angle DXC and angle BXC are adjacent because they share that point X and they share this line right here. Does that make sense, guys? I hope it does. It should. Hopefully it's starting to come back to you. So, again, you guys can do this easy. All right, you just need to remember what complement and supplement mean. Ooh, this one's a really fun one. All right, for numbers 10 through 12, we're using this diagram right here. And you guys, all you need to know is supplementary, complementary, and vertical. Actually, you really just need supplementary and vertical. Because if we know that this angle right here is 41 degrees, then this angle right here, angle 4, is vertical to it, which means they have to be exactly the same, which means angle 4 is 41 degrees as well. Isn't that just awesome? And again, it's more of just using what we know. Now, I'm going to help you guys out with 17 right here. Now, remember, we're on a straight line, so we know this has to equal or add up to 180 degrees. This is going back to some of that solving equations that I know you guys are so good at. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these angles and add them together. So I get 2x plus 11, and I'm adding that to 6x minus 7. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to solve equations here, but let's just work through it a little bit. All right, 2x and 6x are going to go together to make 8x. 11 minus 7, well, that's just positive 4. And I will let you guys finish the solving here. All right, but what we're going to get is we're going to get x equals something. And then we're going to plug that x in right here and right there to be able to get those angle measures. I know you guys got this. All right, and again, this is just more of that. I really want you guys getting comfortable with solving equations, and I really want you guys to get comfortable with supplementary, complementary, and all of those great things. So I'll help you guys out with one. All right, let's do this first supplementary one. So we have x plus 2 plus 150 degrees equals 180 degrees. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this 2 plus 153 because those are like terms. So I get x plus 155 equals 180. Now again, we're just going to follow our steps here. This is a simple one-step equation now. I need to subtract the 155 from both sides. So I get x equals 180 minus 55. I'm pretty sure that's 25. So x equals 25 degrees, which means this angle is 27 degrees. You guys got that before I did, I'm sure of it. Let's try this complementary one right here. This is a 90-degree angle, so we know that 4x plus 7 plus 55 is going to equal 90 degrees. So again, I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to combine that 7 and that 55. 7 plus 55, that's 62. So 4x plus 62 equals 90. Now I need to subtract that 62 from both sides. And I get 4x equals, I want to say that's 28. Now I need to divide both sides by 4. And I get x equals 7. So remember, guys, I expect these worksheets to be done when I get back. And this is how we're doing all of it. All right, that's it. These are the only two examples you need to be able to complete the entire rest of it. You guys got this. We'll see you on Monday.